Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to handle overpayments in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, when the customer pays more than the invoice total, then what you do, okay, you come here at the top, click on customers, and then just click here on receive payments, okay? So let's say the original amount was 30,150, the amount due is 30,150, and the customer paid 31,500. Okay, you choose the customer right here. Okay, let's say they paid cash, check. You can choose whatever you want right here. So there's an overpayment of 1,350. Right. So once we save this payment, right, we go ahead and save this. I'll go close that. Do you want to record it? Yes. And then they'll say the credit for the overpayment will remain on the customer's account. So basically, QuickBooks will automatically go ahead and detect the overpayment. It will show this pop-up, okay? And it will record that transaction. It will have a credit on the customer's account. There will be an overpayment there. So it automates that process for you. Just click on OK. Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.